Hey everybody, Lombardi25 here, about to do a personal box break of 2010-2011 SP Authentic Hockey. Haven't opened this stuff yet. I don't think I've ever opened SP Authentic by myself for hockey, so it'll be pretty cool. I just finished a box of 2011 Press Pass Football, and you'll see in the other video if you watch it, I pulled a Cam Newton auto, so that was really nice. So my day's already been made, so hopefully we get something nice out of here too, but otherwise I won't complain. Let me move this stack of Press Pass out of the way. Alright. So you get 3 autos, and at least one is a future watch, if I remember correctly. You have a chance at one of those patch autos as well. So, we'll see. I think there's some veteran stuff in here and whatever. And a lot of base cards, I know that's the big thing with SP Authentic. Alright. Base. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the names of the base unless it seems like it's notable or it's an insert or something. I just don't know hockey names enough. Alright. Eric Lindros, Martin Boudreau, oh boy. Johan Frenzen, numbered at 1999, SP Essentials. What was that? Let's separate those. So Martin Boudreau, there should be an easy one. I can't even pronounce that, so yeah. Shea Weber, James Random Zeke, Jonathan Towes, numbered in 1999, SP Essentials. So this one feels thick, but I think they put dummies in these, so we'll see. Yeah, big dummy. Unless it's a redemption or something. And yep, dummy. Luke Schwinn, Carey Price, who was really good in that series with my Bruins, who finally won in Game 7. Playing right now, actually. I'm missing a little of a game to do this. SP Essentials, numbered in 1999, Phil Esposito. And that's it. I think they're up 3-1 right now in the first game. We'll watch the rest of it after this. Mark Savard, Boston. Eric Stahl. It's a nice clean design like always. Nothing too exciting, but it's just authentic. There's another big dummy in there. Yeah. Teemu Selanne. Cam Ward. Yep. Dummy. Alright. This is why you do not buy this by the pack. I learned my lesson too many times, wasting $6 on a pack of this or whatever, and you just get base and whatnot. So anyways. Daniel Sedin. SP Essentials of Ray Bourque. Nice Boston guy. I'm on 3 autos. Or more. Get greedy. Paul Stastny, Marian Gaborik, Alex Tangway. Yeah. Base. Robert Luongo, whatever. Nicholas Lidstrom, Alex Ovechkin, Derek Roy, and Joe Sakic. Can't believe he's still playing. Seems like I saw cards of his when I was really young. Scott Gomez, Mike Fisher, Zdeno Chara, Shane Doan, Wayne Gretzky. Oh, so maybe, I don't know, they have legends in here too. Oh boy, what's this coming? I don't know. Alright, Ryan Kessler, Victor Hedman. Anybody I pass is pretty much, I have no chance of trying to pronounce it right. Something up here, one of those hollow effects or something. I don't know if they have autos of those or anything. I really haven't seen too many breaks of this. Mike Modano, General Alfredson. Yep. Hollow effects of Dion Phaneuf. I don't think those are numbered. No. And that's it. Not exciting too far. Got some packs to go. Still looking for 3 autos. And it's not going to be in there. Blake Wheeler, Bruins. And this one's stick again. But that'd be awesome to get a patch auto. I'd love that. Never got one, but that doesn't look like it's it. Cam Neely. Evgeny Malkin. Nope. Dummy. Rick Nash. Corey Perry. Wow. All at the bottom, hopefully. Something's coming up. Steve Mason, Josh Bailey, Chris Osgood, and a future watch, first one we've gotten but not autoed, of Keith Alui, and out of $9.99, and a Guy Lafleur. All right. Wow, I'm down to, actually, 3, 5, thick one there, 7 packs, I think. Marian Hossa, Claude Grix, Evander Kane, Michael Layton, Steve Yzerman. Now I'm getting a little, I'm going to save this one for the end, just in case. Does this box literally have no autos in it? Wow. Henrik Zetterberg, Jonathan Towles, Ryan Smith, and Jason Spezza. Getting into the nitty gritty, guys. This is not good. I'm just looking at it now because I'm like, Martin St. Louis, Alexander Seaman, Danny Heatley, Jonathan Quick. We got these 3, and then one thick one on the bottom for 3 autos. I don't know about this. Unless I missed one somewhere. Oh, there's one coming up. I shouldn't have gone ahead, but I didn't see who it was. Derek Brassard, Mark Messier, Chris Pronger, and Jamie McBain, numbered out of $9.99 Future Watch. I honestly don't know if he's any good, so whatever. At least there's one auto. It'd be awesome if that thick patch has the last one. I think, you know what I mean. Here's another one. Nicholas Backstrom, Steven Stamkos, and it is Boston Bruins, Zach Hamill. I'm a Bruins fan, and I don't even remember hearing his name. So I don't know if he's playing in Providence right now or what, or if he's been up or whatever. Okay, so I think if the auto's in here, I don't want to be bummed out. This is just a dummy one, so I'm just going to look in here first. Ooh, it's a patch. I got it. Or a redemption, but I think it's a patch. Yeah, that's a patch. And it is a future watch of Zach Campbell for the Bruins. Same guy just pulled 25 out of 100. And it's just one color. But still, nice, I got the patch. Looks like the side is a little dinged up. I don't know if you can... I don't know if it's worth sending back though. It's actually not that bad. But anyways, that's what it is. That'll be a tough call. But anyways, sorry. Wasting time. And last one, I'll just open it. It's probably dead. Who knows? A John Tavares Holofix. So that was it. Just looked over the rest of that base, but hey, alright. I got my autos. I got the patch auto, which was nice, and that's all I've got. So thanks for watching. See ya.